In terms of the business entity, the Extreme Dynamos will start off as a limited liability corporation. This will allow our profits to remain higher due to lesser taxes, as well as protect all partners from liabilities. As we grow into the second phase, we will expand to a full corporation in order to gain profits and acquire investors. The legal documents that the Extreme Dynamos will employ, in addition to the standard documents for all employees, will be NDAs, which will be used to ensure that our technology is kept secret when we pitch our idea to different licensees, as well as compete agreements, which will define where our company will expand to and in terms of the licensee agreements in emerging markets.
Our whole service product supports a washer, a dryer, a transfer mechanism, our sleek design, as well as a security system and message alert. In order to analyze our supply chain, we begin with several different distributors here. For the washer and dryer system, we have different individuals that are supplying that, as well as the hardware and supplier of the programming for the software and alert system. Those will insinuate to our Extreme Dynamos team, which will compile the actual items together, as well as for the actual programming will go through a wholesale company. From there, they will be marketed toward retailers, web retailers, as well as a service company, which will eventually distribute to our customer. The Extreme Dynamos would like to introduce our Dream Team Board of Directors to the audience. One of our main directors includes Francine Hardaway, who happens to be a social entrepreneur and has actually incubated several companies in the previous years to launch successful businesses. She's an angel investor, so through her multiple connections, she'd be a valuable asset to the formation of our company through its early stages. Our next ally, Bill Bayless, is the current CEO and chairman of American Campus Community, which is an apartment complex company which is publicly traded on the New York Stock Exchange. They are currently the #1 housing for on-campus communities in the nation, so he would be a valuable asset in that he'd have an excellent network to our target market, as well as be a potential partner in the future.
Two of our dream mentors would be Mark Weinfeld and Guy Kawasaki. Mark Weinfeld is the strategic planner for DGWB, which is located in California, and he would be a key asset in the advertising and campaign of our product. Also, Guy Kawasaki, he's the managing director of Garage Technologies, and also a bestseller. He would greatly help us with business development and other aspects of our startup as we're moving from that young startup to the first implementation stage. Both would be key assets that really get this going, and we really hope to add them to our team eventually one day as mentors.
The Extreme Dynamos features a great array of students that are proud to be entrepreneurs and have a lot of experience doing different entrepreneurial aspects along with their engineering skills. For example, myself, I'm an electrical engineering student, and I've done lots of different designs with circuits and working on creating different types of applications using computer-based algorithms to create different applications for the system that we'll be using for the dynamo. Logan, one of the other group members, is a mechanical engineer, and he has experience creating different structural bodies, and he'll be working with the main design of the dynamo and the different the trigger mechanism that will switch it from the washer to the dryer of the actual device. Jared has an extensive background in sustainability, and he's done multiple EPICS projects working on different sustainable forces such as risk lotto habitat. And he will be working on making sure that the dynamo is great at conserving water and electricity. And Lindsay is just awesome at everything. So she's the one who keeps the glue together and keeps Jared in check. So she's good at organizing and sales and marketing, along with her chemical engineering degree. She's great at the different systems within it as well.